40 years is long. Countless sunrises and sunsets. Spring goes and autumn comes. 40 years is short, a mere moment in the river of time, a snap of the fingers. From a few humble bungalows to a modern industrial park, from a modest output of several 100,000 yuan to a dazzling achievement with an annual output value exceeding 500 million yuan, from being unknown to gain widespread fame, Hiwa Valve always focuses on one mission: make fluid control a central force in the world of fluid safety. Today's Hiwa has transformed into a full industrial chain high-tech group, integrating R&D, casting, manufacturing, and sales. Dedicated to providing one-stop industrial valve solutions to global clients, with Made in China carrying world-class quality. The group has established 5 manufacturing bases in Tianjin, Zibo, Binzhu, Zhejiang, and Taiwan, forming a nationwide, synergistic, and efficient supply system. It has set up trading platforms in Shanghai, Qingdao, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Shenzhen, and beyond, weaving a global service network to precisely meet every client's needs. We research and manufacture a range of valves and pipe fittings, including industrial valves, general valves, control valves, automatic control valves, fire protection valves, and so on. Widely utilized in global water utilities, urban water supply, HVAC, mining and metallurgy, food and pharmaceuticals, agricultural irrigation, shipbuilding, petrochemicals, power energy, and more. Sold in over 70 countries and regions worldwide, connecting every fluid network in the world. Quality is the commitment we always uphold. With the support of the group's Intelligent Control Laboratory, from raw material warehousing to structural design, precision manufacturing, process inspection, and after-sales response, every process embodies a commitment to excellence. The group has successively passed numerous domestic and international authoritative certifications, validating every ounce of trust with each standard achieved. We boast an R&D team of over 30 members, led by doctors and masters, with more than 60 patents filed to date, mastering advanced methods such as simulation analysis, finite element modeling, and so on, fine-tuning key indicators such as product structural strength, flow rate, noise control, and so on. Leveraging a professional team and strong R&D philosophy, we swiftly and accurately capture market demands and development trends. Hiwa Group upholds the corporate philosophy of happiness, efficiency, globalization, upholding innovation, leading the trend of intelligent manufacturing. In line with national strategies, we practice the green development concept and promote energy saving and carbon reduction, accelerating digital and intelligent upgrades, creating an enterprise with new productive forces. Gathering the highlight essence of thousands of technologies, creating the waving brilliance in global industry, ensuring every drop of fluid safely reaches its ideal destination with precision. This is the footnote of Hiwa's 40 years of dedicated cultivation, and more, the era's answer sheet of Made in China, chasing dreams on the world stage. Original aspiration remains steadfast. Forging journey ceases never. The promising future awaits. Hiwa Group.